And yeah, while I'm holding this, I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm fabricating in today's Fab Friday video is something I should have already built. Tell you what re-inspired me to build this. There's a channel I've been watching for a while now.
Let's build a manual air controller to regulate the airbags on my Hudson rat truck build, and let's do it rat rod style. Coming up. Hey, how's the jokes, and welcome back to my forest workshop. If you don't know me, my name is Duff. Like this back axle thing, the differential.
And it's based out of South Africa, I believe. The town is called Mossel Bay. And my buddy Diff, like the diff in a car, runs the channel. Very wise, educated, awesome fabricator. His channel is called Rat Rods for Africa. Definitely after watching my video, you definitely need to go check out his channel. I've been watching his channel since I think he had about 700 subscribers. His channel has blew up. He's well past 20,000 subscribers, I think it is now. Shout out to him. Go check out his channel. Tell him that Dusty Mac sent you in the comments. Anyways, he inspired the video. I'm wanting to basically take this and I want to build it on top of this stand so that I can basically have one foot pedal. And depending on which side I need, I can pull a little pin, swivel the unit around, take the foot pedal, reconnect it to the proper, whichever one I'm using at the moment, and go right back to work. So that's my thought. That way I don't have to build a foot pedal for both sides. Yeah, let's get into it. Plate. cut the end off. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it in the video, but I made this thing adjustable so that I can literally move the linkage to either the shrinker or the stretcher by unloosening the big nut and rotating the machine. That way I don't need 2 foot pedals, and I can basically like quick change it, so to speak. Alright, this is 18 gauge sheet metal. Let's try it out. So right there, we're giving it a little bit of curvature. It's got a little bit of curvature. Let's give it some more. Now I can fully attest, see the curvature on that? I have shrunk this before when I used to have it in the vise, and I mean, you got to get down on it. You got to give it some oomph with just the pull down handle on this. But as far as the foot pedal, I mean, it's awesome using your legs. Alright, so I don't think I filmed an ending. I don't think I filmed an ending for the shrinker and the stretcher stand with the foot pedal that right now isn't connected. But basically all that I have to do remaining on it is I got to build an actual pedal for right here. And I got to make one more linkage for right here. Then after that, I can sand it, put some paint on it. I've already got the tabs made up. I just got to round them off. Round them off, weld them on. Like I said, throw some paint on it. But I, again, would like to thank my buddy Diff, D-I-V, D-I-F, however you want to say it. Appreciate the inspiration to get back after building this thing. And a segment in his videos that I really enjoy, he calls Forest Engineering. He does a really good job of making like jigs out of wood. For example, to show you how the 4-link suspension on the rear of a vehicle works. And just in general, he makes a lot of little 3D models, or 2D model if you will, to help you better understand it. So if rat rods isn't your thing, I'm telling you, you can learn something from his years of experience, his wisdom, his forest engineering. It's just awesome to, you know, learn about the cars, welding, fabrication, and you get a little bit of culture and lifestyle on what it's like living over in Africa. I think he mentioned in one of his videos, there's days and specific times where the power grid goes off. So he's without power over there. So that makes it challenging to get out videos. And that makes it challenging to do anything. And I have quite a few viewers that are from Africa. So thank you guys. Thank you, Boots and brothers. Thank you all for watching. So if you want to go check out his channel, the link to his channel will be in the description. Check out his channel. Consider subscribing. Drop in the comments that Dusty Mac sent you. And did I mention my garage needs a cleanup? I got a lot of you probably watch the channel and think my garage is immaculate all the time, well organized. Most of the time it's pretty decent, but right here I got stuff everywhere. And that's literally where I had a few windows last week. Was trying to fabricate this stand so I would have a video for Fab Friday. I didn't quite get it out for last Friday. But yeah, we'll get everything cleaned up. We'll get shaped back up. And we'll get back cranking out some more progress on my wife's 240Z and on my 66 F100 shop truck. That's all I got. Dusty Mac is signing out. If you haven't already and you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.